Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window wiper. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.